Nintendo has acquired an animation studio that will become Nintendo Pictures. As you have so many video game properties being teased or actually in the works to be turned into movies. This is turned into a whole thing for a whole new opportunity for companies like Nintendo because they have tremendous IP.
Yeah.
Like people love this IP. People, the Marios and all this. And believe it or not, Nintendo hasn't done anything like this, pictures, movies, since 1993. I don't know if you remember that movie. That Super Mario movie from 1993 with John Leguizamo.
Was it live action?
He was live action, dude. It was live action.
Yeah, it was a good time. It was fun. They tried.
Dude. I would like to go back and watch it because I remember it being jarring as a child.
Yeah.
Like jarring as they try to do. I mean, I don't know if they're doing live action or what they're going to do here. Let's see. So previously this company, Dynamo Pictures, they go acquire them and say, we turn you into Nintendo Pictures. We start working on this content. Last time they did it in 1993, Super Mario Bros. Starring Bob Hoskins and John Leguizamo. Now they're preparing for a cinematic release, their first in years, an animated movie based on Super Mario Bros. Starring Chris Pratt. So that's already in the works. You knew about that. Mm-hmm. Obviously, there's been all this stuff with Sonic going on. They're like, you can't keep making these Sonic movies. We want to do something too. Mm-hmm. They used to battle with Sega all the time. So anyway, a second animated film based on Sonic the Hedgehog was released earlier this year, and a TV show based on The Last of Us is in production for HBO.
Right.
So...
yeah, Sony has their own animation studios as well.
This is a trend. Well, I don't think The Last of Us is going to be animated.
No.
But I hear you. And they got 100% of the company, so expect to see more Nintendo content in the future. Like, I'm talking about movies and TV shows and things like this.
Yeah. I mean, Pokemon. Like, one of their biggest IPs, right?
You talking about Pikachu and all that?
Yeah. They could do
well, did you watch that? They had that Detective Pikachu.
No, that's not fun.
In 2019. That's not what it is? It's not what you need?
Like the original.
I don't know anything about Pokemon.
Yeah.
You got to fill me in. What would the original entail? How would you do that?
Well, with Ash, the trainer, and bring it back to the OG Pokemon.
The cartoon, the animated. Okay, I got you.
Do that.